Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I will explain what is FTP command. So without wasting time, let's move to the topic. So first, what is FTP command? FTP means file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol. In simple word we can say simple meaning. Simple meaning is FTP used to transfer FTP is used to transfer files between two computer or network between two computer over the network over the network. Like example, let's take example. First, upload website, upload website अपलोड वेबसाइट फाइल टू सर्वर. वेबसाइट की फाइल सर्वर में अगर अपलोड करना हो तो फाइल्स टू सर्वर. सेकेंड एग्जांपल इज डाउनलोड फाइल फ्रॉम remote server. If you want to download files from remote server. Let's explain why we use FTP, file transfer protocol. Then next, why we use it. Why we use? Simple. First, let's take example. Wait.
Let's why we use FTP. Simple. There are many reasons for using FTP. Some reasons are, first reason is we use FTP for FTP for first reason is if we want to upload file to a server. अगर अपने को कोई सी भी फाइल अगर सर्वर में अपलोड करना है, that time we use FTP. If we want to upload file from files to a server. Sorry. Second reason is if we want to download file from other system. If we want to download files from other system, अगर फाइल अगर दूसरे सिस्टम से डाउनलोड करना हो तो FTP यूज करते हैं. थर्ड रीजन इज if we want to manage file from remotely. If we want to manage files remotely. So there are three reasons why we use FTP. Then next I explain how FTP works. there is a simple flow. Like first, let's try how FTP work. First thing is silently send request to FTP server. Sorry. Client send request to server. Clients send sends request to server. क्लाइंट क्या करते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट भेजते सर्वर पे, टू सर्वर। फर्स्ट स्टेप। सेकंड, सर्वर आस्क फॉर यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड। सर्वर क्या आस्क करेगा, यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड के लिए आस्क पूछता है। सर्वर आस्क फॉर यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड। थर्ड थिंग क्या होती है यहाँ पे, आफ्टर लॉगिन कनेक्शन, क्या होता है इसके बाद, आफ्टर लॉगिन, लॉगिन के बाद आफ्टर कनेक्शन असिस्ट, ठीक है। देन फोर्थ, नाउ you can ready, now you can do like, you can first thing you can upload files, अपलोड फाइल, तुम अब फाइल्स अपलोड कर सकते हो। सेकंड, डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। डाउनलोड फाइल्स। थर्ड थिंग क्या कर सकते हो, डिलीट मैनेज, डिलीट फाइल्स कर, डिलीट फाइल डिलीट कर सकते हो। डिलीट मैनेज फाइल्स, डिलीट एंड मैनेज फाइल, सॉरी डिलीट एंड मैनेज फाइल। क्या क्या कर सकते हो, ये सब चीजों के बाद यू कैन डू अपलोड फाइल्स को अपलोड कर सकते हो, डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, डिलीट एंड मैनेज कर सकते हो फाइल को। सो नेक्स्ट, लेट्स आई एक्सप्लेन सम important command of FTP. So without wasting time, let's move to the computer screen. So this is our terminal. So first let's I explain some important terms of FTP. So first is FTP client, means your system, it is command line. Then second is FTP server, means remote machine that store files, remote machine है जो files store करता है। थर्ड, ports means default thing है ये FTP में, but okay, well, let's move to the topic. Let's, if FTP is not installed in your system, so first let's install it. So if we want to install FTP, we use a command sudo apt, I already installed it. So sudo apt install, it's ask for password, type your user password, then again sudo apt install vsftpd, then press enter. So it's installing. So यहाँ पे install हो चुका है। Then let's first, if we want to start service, so we use command ftp service. So command is sudo system ctl and start, or vsftpd. This command help you to start ftp service. Then next, if you want to stop it, so at the place of start you can type enable. Okay, enable. Then second, if you want to restart it, so command sudo system ctl v start vsftpd tpd, then press enter. So restart हो चुकी है। Then let's create a user with the let's create FTP user. So the command is simple. First we do clear. So if you want to create FTP user, so we use command sudo add user, sorry, add user, and username, let's give username Rohit, sorry, Rohit, press enter. It's ask for password, then give password, retype it, sorry, here say. So the create हो चुका है. Then next full name and room number देना होगा. Then next, the next command is if you want to connect FTP server to terminal demo के लिए use करते हैं. I want to connect FTP server, so we use command like इसके लिए कोई सर्वर एग्जैक्टली सर्वर तो नहीं है, बट आई एक्सप्लेन द कमांड. व्हाट इज कमांड? FTP then server then your IP. This command help you to add server. So this is not basic, but I explain only the command. At the place of server IP, you can give your IP. Then it's enter, press enter, where it asks for password and username and password. Let's explain some basic commands. First, what is ls command? First, we do clear ls. ls show files, all files in your directory. Second, pwd. Pwd means it show current location. Third, cd folder means change directly. With the help of cd folder, cd and folder name, you can change directly. Then third, get get command को use करते हैं. Get means if you want to download any file, so we use get command. Then put command. Put means if you want to upload any file to server or in other place, so we use put command. Then last, buy means exit FTP server. अगर FTP से exit करना है तो we use buy command. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tutorial.